Hey, it's James Nicholson and I'm in Uranus at the moment, which is a place on Route 66. Now, in business, we always take ourselves far too seriously, and one thing that these guys do is absolutely, they don't take themselves seriously at all. Every store in Uranus is themed around what you can imagine, right? They don't take themselves too seriously. And I think that your business should have some personality. You shouldn't try and be always too corporate, always too professional, because you want to be someone that's memorable and you want to have fun in business, right? Sometimes we start our businesses and then we're all so formal, and that's not really our personality. And if your personality is a fun personality, you're someone that likes to have fun, then let that come through in your business, just like these guys have here. Now, we're going to go into the Uranus Fudge factory now and go and grab some fudge, because it's going to be the best fudge on Route 66. So if you found that useful and you're enjoying our videos, make sure you like and subscribe, comment below, and also if you haven't got my book yet, I'm going to put a link around this video above it or below where you can get a copy of Expert Mastery for free. All you need to do is pay for the shipping. So do that now if you haven't done it already. Grab a copy of my book and we'll get it shipped to you in the next few days. Bye for now.